their
Who is the
position.
Minister of Petroleum?
Well, maybe we have two ministers there. As far as the president is concerned, they say Minister of State, Minister of Minister. As far as President Tinubu is concerned, they are all ministers. And we have two ministers there. And one of them focuses on gas. That's an area that this government found that in the past, Nigeria neglected that gas sector. And Nigeria is more of a gas country than an oil country. And President Tinubu is focusing on gas.
The Special Advisor to President Bola Tinubu on Information and Strategy, Onanuga, has dismissed reports that the president is Nigeria's substantive petroleum minister. Onanuga made the rebuttal on Sunday while fielding questions on Sunday's edition of Channels Television's Politics Today program. During the interview, Onanuga phoned, saying the president had never addressed himself with such title, adding that the nation already had two ministers handling the affairs of the oil sector. The president has never called himself the Minister of Petroleum. You people in the media gave him that position. We have two ministers there. One of them focuses on gas. That's an area this government found in the past that Nigeria neglected the gas sector. Nigeria is more of a gas country than an oil country. Just recently, former President Olusegun Obasanjo said he made a mistake during his time by not focusing on gas. President Tinubu is rectifying that by making sure that we are focusing now on gas. The president supervises all his ministers, all of them. He is in charge of everything, including all the ministries under him, Onanuga stated. Onanuga noted that Tinubu is aware of the struggles Nigerians face, countering accusations that the president is indifferent to citizens' action. The president has never shied away from acknowledging that Nigerians are going through difficult times. He is working tirelessly to provide relief and ensure that the nation moves towards a future of prosperity. This is a painful transition, but it's part of a long-term strategy to stabilize and grow the economy, Onanuga clarified. Stay informed for real-time updates, breaking news, and exclusive videos from NaijaNews TV.